Hi everyone, welcome to my online course for creating a video for online class using the text-to-speech tool. This course is offered by Seagull for assisting our lecturer in UTHM to prepare the online content for asynchronous online class during this MCO period.
Hello everyone, salam sejahtera. Welcome to my short course on making video for the online asynchronous class using the text-to-speech, or in other words, using the computer to speak for us, just like the introduction at the beginning of this video. As we all know, during this MCO, which is a very difficult time for everyone, we also as a lecturer need to prepare the content for the online class, but some of us might be new to making video for the lecture or just not confident to use our very own voice for video recording. Therefore, this course is to guide you to create your own content such as video without using your own voice, but by using a software called Text-to-Speech or TTS. You can have a look at my video sample that I use for my online class by scanning this QR code using your mobile phone, or just go to this URL bit.ly/tts_course. Now let's look at the requirement or the software that I use to make the videos. First one is of course the TTS Reader. This one is used to convert our text to voice or to speech, and it is a web-based tools, meaning that nothing to install in our computer, just go to ttsreader.com to use the tools. The second one is Ultra Screen Recorder. This one can be downloaded from Microsoft Store and installed from the store. This software is used to record our screen, meaning that we record our presentation along with the voice from the TTS Reader. The last one is the video editing software, the Shortcut, where you can get from shortcut.org. All of these software are open source, meaning that it is free to use. Okay, now let's go to the first tool, which is the TTS Reader. So this tool, you can use your web browser or any other web browser to use the tools. So in this case I used the Google Chrome and just search the TTS Reader. Okay, and yes, this is the website. So let's go to the website, and this is the interface of the TTS Reader. So we have features here that we can use in our text recording later on, and we have option for voice, where by default is English, UK English, and we also have even Bahasa Indonesia, the Germany, the Dutch, the UK female, UK male, the US, and many more. And we also have option for the speed of the speech, where you can have normal speed, very slow, slow speed, fast, or even faster speech. And this is the text window that you will use to write your text, and the computer will speak it out by pressing this play button. For example, you have, hi there, how are you today? Okay, all right, let's try. Press the play button.
Hi there, how are you today?
All right, hi there, how are you today? And let's change to US or UK female. See what happened?
Hi there, how are you today?
Okay, that's female voice. US.
Hi there, how are you today?
Okay, and you can change the speed, slower, for example.
Hi there, how are you today?
Okay, it looks slow. Fast.
Hi there. How are you today?
Alright, so you can select the speed, which one suit your requirement. So in my case, I choose normal speed. Alright, so now let's look at the other features that we have here. So the first one is the upload text or PDF or ebooks file. So this one is the feature to upload the text that we have here to the cloud. Yeah, so for example, we want to save our text that we type, very long text here if we have, to the cloud. And the next one is play and stop button. This one is the insert 1 second of silence. This is very important for timing. For example, we want to synchronize our voice here with the presentation in the PowerPoint, so these features will help a lot. So for example, if I have this one pause, so it will give you 1 second delay or 1 second pause. I have, for example, I have 3, and I have another text here. How can I help you? Alright, let's see.
Hi there. How are you today?
1 second, 2 second, 3 second.
How can I help you?
Alright, to the next text. Okay, so this will be very useful feature. Later on we will see in the next tutorial how to utilize these features. The next one is the go to the beginning, means that if your cursor is anywhere in your text, when you press, it will bring you to the beginning of your text here. And here is the clear text, means that if you click here, it will clear your text window. It will clear everything in your text window. And the last one is the record audio, meaning that you can record the audio here also, but in this case I will not use this one because we will use the screen recorder to record the screen and also the voice. Alright, so that is for TTS Reader. We will go to the next tool, which is the screen recorder tools. Okay, now go to the second tools, which is the screen recorder tools. We use the Ultra screen recorder here, and this is the interface of the screen recorder. So we have some features here that we need to look at. So the first one is the sources, where you can select or which window you want to capture, or if you have more than one screen or more than one display. For example, in my case, I have two display, so I need to select which display I want to capture. So for example, this one is capturing display number 1. If we want to capture display number 2, so this is how select display number 2. So in this case, I capture display number 1. Right. Next is the mixer. So this one is very important also, where this is the source of your voice. Yeah. So in this case, when we use TTS Reader, meaning that the voice is coming from your speaker, so you need to make it maximum here. All right. But in this case, I use the external microphone, so I don't want to record the sound from the computer, so I make it minimum or just mute it. All right. And this is for speaker. This is for microphone. All right. Next is scene transition. This one we don't want to set anything. And the last one is the control. So for the control, we have many features here, so let's go one by one. The first one is start streaming. So this is for if we want to stream or send our screen to the internet, so we can use this one. So in this case, we don't want to use it. Alright, next one is the start stop recording. So this is the function to start or stop recording process. So in this case, it shows stop recording, meaning that if I click this, it will stop recording because I am already in the recording mode, so it will show the stop recording. If, for example, we not in recording mode, so it will show the start recording. So when we want to start record our screen, so this is the button that you need to press. Studio mode, we don't want to do anything here. Setting, yes, we need to have some setting here before we can record our screen. So the first one is general setting, so no need to do anything here, just leave it as default. Stream, we don't want to do streaming, so skip. Output, yes, this is very important. The output is not for streaming but recording. So recording, the first one is recording path. So the recording path is the folder that you want to save your recording video. So you can browse to the your folder here. Recording quality, so here if your computer is good, so you can select for the high quality one. Recording format, so this is the output format. You can select whether you want to use MP4, MOV, MKV or many other features. So in this case I use MP4. Encoder, I use hardware encoder. So there is two type of encoder. The first one is software encoder and the second one is hardware encoder. The advantage of hardware encoder is that it is more efficient, more faster compared to software encoder. Hardware encoder is the if your computer has graphic card, then you can use hardware encoder. Alright, next is the audio. So the setting is good already, so just leave it as default. Video, so this is the resolution of the your screen. So in this case I use full HD, so the resolution is 1920 by 1080. And the output is very important also. So if we want to have the HD output, so this is the resolution that you need to use. Hotkey, so hotkey is the shortcut for example the start recording. If we don't want to press the start recording button, we can use hotkey. So this hotkey you can set, for example, you want to use Shift A for start, you can set Shift S for stop. So you can use this button later on when you want to start and stop recording. So in this case I don't want to use this one, so just make it blank. Alright, so that's all the settings. So I already have my setting already, so in this case I don't want to save the setting. In your case, when you are new to this software and want to set your new recording, you need to save the changing. Alright, so that will be the ultra screen recorder. Next we will go to the last software, which is the video editing software. Now let's go to the shortcut software, the software that we will use to edit the video and to produce the final video for our online class. So this is the interface of the shortcut software where we have recent project window here, we have playlist window here where we can list our video that we want to use in our project, and this is timeline window where we can edit or remove or add anything to our video. Now let's open some videos so that we can see what this software can do. So let's look at the video here. So for example, okay, so this is the preview video. Yeah, we cannot do anything yet unless we put this video in the playlist window, and let's, for example, we open another video and we put it again in the playlist. And now let's say we want to edit this video, these two video, and want to combine the video. So we need to drag this to the timeline window like this. Okay, so in the timeline window we can see that when we drag the cursor from here to here, all right, so the video is viewed in timeline format, and when we play we can see the cursor is moving here. All right, so for example, this part, yeah, oh, this is the voice of the video. So for example, this part there is no voice, and when we look at this part, all right, so this is the part that is not being used, so we want to remove this part. So we can actually cut this out by using these split tools. All right, for example, we want to remove, we can remove, so that our video will start from here. All right, okay, and this is the end of our video. So for example, we want to continue our video with a second video, so we just drag the second one to the end of the first video, all right, like this, and we can go to this second video by using these features. All right, and okay, so we can see that this part also there is no voice, so we can remove. Okay, and let's see the, all right, okay, so it's the transition between video 1 and video 2 is just from 1 immediately go to 2. So now what if we want to have a little bit animation or a smoother transition between video 1 and video 2? We can do that by overlapping the video. For example, this video 2, we drag a little bit in front here to overlap with video 1, okay, to get this mark, meaning that this is the overlap part of the video. So if we play the video, we can see that the transition is now smoother compared to the first one with yeah, a little bit animation like this. All right, so this is the video editing tools that we will use later on. In the next video, I will show you how to combine all the video that we recorded from our screen, and how to edit to produce the final video for our online class. Thank you for now.